All right, let's talk about money. Because if you're anything like me, you've probably heard a million myths about how you should be handling it. Maybe someone's told you that money is the root of all evil, or that saving every penny is the only path to success. But let's be real for a second. Most of these ideas aren't actually helping us make smarter decisions. So, how do we start thinking rationally about money? First, I remind myself that money is just a tool. Seriously, it's not a scorecard, and it's definitely not a reflection of my worth. When I look at my bank account, I try not to see a number that defines me, but a resource that can help me build the life I want. Next, let's get honest about spending. I used to feel guilty every time I bought coffee out, thinking, I should be saving this. But then I realized, rational spending isn't about cutting out every joy. It's about aligning your spending with your values. If that coffee makes your morning and you can afford it, then hey, it's a good investment in your happiness. Now, the myth that saving alone will make you rich? Not quite. Saving is important, but it's only half the story. Rational thinking means understanding the power of investing, even if it feels intimidating. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And it's okay to start small. Just starting is the key. So here's how I keep my head clear. I question the myths, focus on what matters to me, and remember that money is simply a tool, one I can learn to use well. If you start thinking this way, I promise, your relationship with money will get a whole lot healthier and a lot less stressful. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, you control your money, not the other way around.